Hi, I'm Simran, and in today's video, we'll discuss the use of word correction in the NAATI examination. There are a lot of times when we say something and then we realize immediately that I've said something wrong and I want to correct myself. So in those sort of scenarios, generally what we do is we don't let the examiner know that I'm trying to correct myself, and we just go and revisit the line again. However, as per NAATI Examiner's Manual 2008, if you do make a mistake and you want to correct yourself, you need to insert a word and let the examiner know. So the word that we use to correct ourselves is called correction. So let's take an example now. A Hindi speaker said, मैं $8.5 लाख तक खर्च कर सकता हूँ इस घर पर. And now I'm interpreting that in English, and I said, I can spend 8.5 lakhs on this property. Oops, I made a mistake there. I realized straight away that I had to use thousands because lakhs is a unit that is used in Indian subcontinent. However, in Australia, we convert those numbers into thousands and we don't say lakh. So now let's take an example how I would correct myself. I can spend up to 8.5 lakh on this property. Correction, I can spend $850,000 on this property. So this is how you would correct yourself in the NAATI exam. So these sort of little things can make a difference of about 2 to 3 marks in your results. And for an average student, this could be a difference between passing or failing the exam. So it's really important that you learn from people who are the experts. Our trainers have been assessors in the past as well, so they know how to train you. And our training is not based on any assumptions. We know what are the things that the assessors will be looking for, and we'll train you on those lines. So come and learn from the experts, and if you want to book a trial class with us, so please get in touch with us and we'll be more than happy to look after you. Thank you for watching, and see you again.